welcome to the online class. Today's date is 30/9/2020. See here, in today's class we will start with the multiplication properties. Property 1. Any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. See here, this is the first property. The first property says that any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. See here, see the example here. Any number, take any number, okay, you take any number, 4 you take, okay, multiplied by 1, the product always number itself. 1 into 4 4, or take 5 into 1, 1 into 5 5, or take 15 1, answer is number itself. The number itself will be the answer, okay. Or otherwise take 70 into 1, answer will be the number itself. The number whatever you taken, that number will be product, answer is 70. Like that, any number multiplied by 1, the answer always will always be number itself, okay. Like that, see here, there are 3 oysters are there. In each oyster 1 pearl is there, okay. 3 into 1, 3 oysters into 1 pearl in each group. 1 into 3 or 3 into 1, answer is 3, number itself, okay. Next property, any number multiplied by 0 gives the product equal to 0. The property 2. The property 2 says that any number multiplied by 0 gives the product equal to 0. See here, 3 oysters are there here, okay. In each oyster there is no pearls, means 3 into 0, no pearls means 0. 3 into 0 is answer is 0. 3 into 0 or 0 into 3, answer is 0, okay. Third property, any number you take, any number. See here, for example, any number, take 19 into 0, answer is 0, the product is 0, okay. 25 you take the number into 0 multiplied by 0, the product will be 0. Or take 100 you take, okay, into multiplied by 0, the product will be 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the answer always equal to 0, okay. Like that, this is the second property. Next property, property 3, order property of multiplication. See here, 4 into 6 is 24, 6 into 4 is 24. Even after changing the order of the factors, these are the order of the factors, first order, second order, and changing the order of the factors, the product does not change. Order property is also called commutative property. See here, 4 into 6 is 24, or 6 into 4 is 24, okay. Like that, see here, for example, take 2 into 4. 2 into 4, what is the answer? 2 into 4, 8, or 4 into 2, answer is 8. Answer is always equal, okay. The product is equal. Changing the orders of the order factors, order of the factors, there is no change in the product, okay. Or 1 into 3, 3, or 3 into 1, 3. 2 into 5, answer 10, or 5 into 2, answer is 10. The product is does not change, okay. Like that, that is commutative property, okay. Write the missing factors to complete the multiplication sentences. They given properties here, they given space to write the missing factors. 8 into 1, okay, 8 into 1, the number itself 8, answer is the product is 0, it means the other factor is 0. 9 into 0 0, product is 10, the number itself means 1. 10 into 1 10. 48 the product, okay. You have to write the factors, changing factors. 8 into 6, 6 into 8, answer is 48, product. 63 they given, the factor, other factor is 7, here you write 9. 7 into 9, 9 into 7. Commutative property, this is commutative property. Next, write the product. Okay, multiplication tables at a glance. Okay, 8 into 5 40, yes or no? 40. 9 into 6 50. 4 into 3 12. 8 into 2 16. 6 into 5 30. 7 into 6 42. 8 into 3 24. 45. 9 into 5 45. 7 into 1 7. 8 into 9 8 into 9 8 into 9 72. 8 into 7, what is the answer? 8 into 7 56. 4 into 6, okay, 24. 6 into 6 36. 7 into 2 14. 10 into 8 80. 6 into 7 2. Next, calculate as fast as you can. Write the missing factor in the box. Think 4 into dash is equal to 20. The product is 20. It means the other factor is 4 into 5 20. When 4 is multiplied by dash, the product is 20. The 4 is multiplied by 5. 4 into 5 20. 5 into 6 is 30. 8 into 8 is multiplied by 5. The product is 40. 10 is multiplied by 10. The product is 100. 6 is multiplied by 10. The product is 60. 10 is multiplied by 9. The product is 90. Multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number without regrouping. Okay, they given one example here. See here, this is 31 into 2. 31 into 2 once, and this is tens. Okay, first you take like this, write like this. Okay, this is called multiplicand, and the second number, this digit is called multiplier. First you multiply like this, 2 into 1, like this you multiply first. Next 2 into 3, like this you have to multiply. See here, 31 into 2. First you multiply like this, 2 into 1 2. Next 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Answer is 62. Or 51 into 1. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 5 5. First you multiply like this. Next you have to multiply like this. Okay. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 3 is 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6. Answer is 62. See here. First multiply like this. Next you have to multiply like this. 62. Okay. In next class we will continue with these examples. Thank you.